Alright, tube, Dre here. I'm gonna try to show you guys how to install a replacement freeze plug. Once you get the old plug out, take some sandpaper. If it's rusty, just take the sandpaper around the hole, try to get it kind of smooth, wipe it out. They say don't use any sealant. You're just gonna slide this up in there. Once you get up in there, you take a wrench or a socket and turn this. As you turn this, it's gonna pull this in, which is gonna squeeze the rubber out, and it captured this into your block. And like I said, if you watch that bullshit ass channel, I don't remember where it was, where the guy said, oh, they only last for a few months and they start to leak. I don't know what the hell he talking about. I ain't never seen one of these things leaks, Hell, I started to put all of these in instead of buying this shit here, but it came with the kit. Anyway, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm trying to show y'all. Damn, I forgot to cut the light on. Okay, maybe upside down or whatever, but that's the hole right there. We're gonna push the freeze plug in right there, and we're gonna turn that hole. We're gonna turn that right there. Now I gotta find a place to put this damn phone. Ooh, I know. You might not be able to see that. I hope you can. And if you can't, fuck it. Get up, get out and do your own work. Quit getting hard off my work. Chime on, bitch. Chime on, bitch. There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. Okay, I was afraid of that happening. Come on, you motherfucker. Calling all freaks. Bull daggers. Pussy riders. Dick beaters. Dick beaters. Fags. Okay, I gotta stop that from turning. Okay, now fuck it. Come on now. Come on. Come on, you bitch. You know what? I hate these goddamn well, once you get the motherfucker to stop turning and start to squeezing, it'll go in. My problem is using this damn okay, you ain't gotta crank down on it. I don't think you do. Looks like it's still trying to turn, don't it? I won't take this, what do you call it? Swivel off, because it keeps turning. Hope y'all can see that. Alright, that's pretty tight. Ow! It ain't moving no more, so I'm assuming it's in. I just hope I caught that old camera. Yeah, that should have been on camera. This is Dre. Y'all have a good day. Bye. I said bye, bitch.